Hi, good afternoon. My name is Gregory Pope, and I'm here today to introduce you to Dr. Mario Simon, one of our top doctors in Mexico. Dr. Simon is FACS. He's Fellow American College of Surgeons. That is something you cannot buy. It is awarded to you by your peers in the College of Surgeons in the United States. That award was given to him in Washington, D.C. Dr. Simon has studied in Austria. He does a stabilization process versus a fusion. Dr. Simon does the artificial disc, which in the United States, most doctors want to do a fusion. Dr. Simon specializes in the artificial disc of Retaio. It's a German-made prosthesis that is world-renowned and known everywhere, and he will be able to tell you more about it. But at this time, let me have Dr. Simon to tell you about his background and his experience. Thank you.
I'm glad to receive you here at my office. And about you asked for, I want to tell you that I study in Mexico City, medical school at Anáhuac University, a private top 10 schools in Mexico. After I finished my medical education, I went to the National Institute of Neurology and Neurosurgery and did my specialty there about neurosurgery, which was one of the fields I am more interested at that time. I'm still now. After all these years, I've been training a lot and going to different places in order to keep in touch with the newest knowledge about my specialty. And I have went to the United States and also Europe to get in touch with the high-performance professors in the whole world in order to deal better with all the stuff I do about brain surgery and also spine surgery. I went to Germany to have a special preparation in doing the Retaio prosthesis at cervical spine, which I think is one of the best prostheses that are out in the world today. I also have been teaching about stabilization in the spine instead of doing fusion, which is one of the most common surgeries made in spine. I really been studying about the spine, and I don't feel confident about doing fusion because I think it's against nature. So doing stabilization instead, I think would have better outcomes for patients. And I've seen that in the last 15 years doing that kind of spinal surgery. So I'm very confident that doing stabilization in the cases where they need it, it's better than doing fusion. I also do fusion, but only in cases of traumatic injury where they need to be fused and get very fixed at that time because of the kind of injury. But in degenerative problems, I think the best way to deal with it is to stabilize only those segments which are damaged and to do in surgery only what is needed. Well, anytime I have a patient, it doesn't matter if it's at my office or via email or internet via spinalsurgerymexico.com. I have the picture of the patient because I talk with the patient. I have a questionnaire which gives me a whole picture of the problem. Where are the pain? What kind of pain he or she has, or everything. So I had the whole clinical picture. Then I got the images, which are very important for me in order to establish which is going to be the plan in order to solve the patient's problems. So every time I do spine surgery, I need X-rays, which are vital, because as technology has grown, everybody relies only on MRI. But X-rays are very important to me in order to decide which is the best plan in order to help each patient. So when I have the X-rays and the MRI, I can make a plan, establish what are the needs for each patient, and then have a talk with the patient and decide which is going to be the solution to the problem. So I'll be glad to help you any way I can with my surgery, and would be glad to have a consultation for free via email from spinalsurgerymexico.com. Thank you very much.